We back again, y'all. What's up? It's your homeboy Justin. We back in my bathroom. And we're to continue this whole braid love fest that I have right now because it took me a while to do these braids and I figure I might as well do a little bit more with them. What I'm going to show you all today is 10 braided and unbraided styles. If you haven't seen my video on how to braid locks or how that looks when you do braids and braid outs, click the eye right up there and that'll tell you everything you need to know, show everything you need to know, okay? You know, without further ado, this just will be a quick little, video of me just doing stuff with my hair. So sit back, pop some popcorn, get you a Sierra Mist, whatever you need to do, and just eat and relax and enjoy, all right? Keep on watching. So there you guys have it, 10 braided and unbraided lock styles that you can use in your everyday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but yeah, so I like these styles. They're definitely something that you can do and you can make your own. You don't have to do it exactly how I did it, especially this pineapple thing just sitting on top of my head. Looking like a little tiki torch. But yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, okay? Like it if you liked it. If you didn't like it, I'm sorry. There's nothing else I can do for you. I mean, I really can't help you on that one. But anyway, Don't forget to hit me up on any other type of social media. You know, I'm on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat is my favorite. I kind of go off. Also, new segment that I'll be starting. If you follow me on Snapchat, we're gonna start doing TMI Tuesdays. So send me questions through Snapchat of things you want me to address, and I will try to answer as many or the ones that I feel are most asked or ones that you guys want me to talk about, okay? We'll see how that goes. If you have any questions about this tutorial or any other of my videos or just about locks in general or hair care, maintenance, diet, exercise, any of that, hit me up in the comment section below. What else? Oh, subscribe if you have not done that yet. What are you waiting for? Click on the red button. And then after you click on that button, click on the little bell notification thing because it'll let you know when you get new videos like this one every week or whenever I post, which is usually every week. I have videos planned actually for the next like 4 weeks. So that is a good thing for you. So keep watching. Stay tuned for that, okay? So yeah, those are all those things. Thank you all again for watching these videos and, you know, continuing to watch and to share and do whatever you could be doing. I appreciate all of the love that I get from like different viewers, either to the channel or through Instagram, who will just say thank you. And I really do appreciate those messages. They really mean a lot, and they definitely warm me up a little bit on the inside. Okay, a little bit. So thank you all for those. No, seriously, like thank you, for real. Thank you for those. Okay. We made it to the end, just like we do every other week. So if you haven't watched last week's video, check that out. Or last video, I don't know if it was posted last week, but the last one's there. There's a playlist right there, some stuff. And click on the subscribe icon if you haven't done that, okay? And I will see y'all next week. Peace. Or whenever I post videos.